Welcome back to Crispin Garage. We got this little light shop day going on, and I got something y'all need to see. Come on here, cameraman. Y'all remember in the other video when I said this grease fitting won't gonna be here long enough to need to be greased? Roll the footage. Grease fitting, don't need that either. This thing ain't gonna be on here long enough to need to be greased. There she is. Another one going to the bad. That's all right. Fresh off the presses, baby. Appreciate y'all watching. Have a good one.